Hello and welcome. Let's get you started on your strategic planning journey with the help of Grow AI. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through how to get set up and ready to use the platform. Whether you're a single user on an individual plan or part of a multi-user team plan. First, check your email for an invitation from this email. Click Accept Invitation. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folder. Make sure you're in the inbox associated with the email address you registered with. If it's still not there, it may be blocked by your IT department and will require approval to release. Once accepted, you'll see a setup screen prompting you to enter your information. Next, you'll create your account by entering your name and email, a password, and confirm it. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Add Business Info to move forward. Once logged in, you'll see the option to edit on the Company Description tab. Fill in your website URL, company name, type, industry, and a short company description. Use the GoBot in the right corner to help you generate a description, or you can use an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini and copy and paste that result into the description field and click Save. Prompt: please create a concise executive summary of our company in 150 words or less based on the content at your website URL. If you have a multi-user team plan, you'll see a Participants tab next to your company description. To add team members, click on Add User. Enter their email. Click Add Participant. Use the Flow Access drop-down to control which sections each participant can contribute to. You can select all sections or just specific areas under Goals and Reality. Each participant will receive the same invitation email you did and will complete their own setup. You're now ready to start. From the home page, click Let's Begin. The platform will guide you through 4 key sprints, or stages, of your strategic planning process. First, goals. Define your purpose, vision, mission, values, target market, financial goals, and unique selling proposition, USP. Next, reality. Conduct a detailed SWOT analysis of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats through 20 guided questions. Then, options. Brainstorm and explore growth strategies using AI-supported prompts. Lastly, weigh. Turn your ideas into actionable plans using the 4W framework. What will be done, who will lead it, when it will happen, and what success looks like. Throughout the process, you'll see a green dot labeled Go. That's your Go support bot. It's available in every section to help you generate new ideas, refine your writing, create KPIs or measurable outcomes. Simply click the bot, review its suggestions, and edit as needed. If you're a facilitator of a multi-user team account, you'll have the ability to review responses from all team members, edit and select the best ideas for each section, consolidate input to form a unified plan. You can access your team's input by clicking View Team Responses in green text within each section. After completing all 4 stages, Grow AI automatically generates your strategic canvas, a 1-page visual summary of your plan that includes key goals, SWOT insights, strategic initiatives, prioritized with a pick chart, action items with 4W details. You can export this canvas as a PDF to share with your leadership team or board. If you're a single user on an individual plan, here's a sample 60-day roadmap. Kick-off meeting. Introduce the process to your organization. Goals, sprint. Spend 2 to 4 hours defining your foundation. Reality sprint. Dedicate another 2 to 4 hours to your SWOT analysis. Options. Sprint. Half-day session to brainstorm growth opportunities. Weigh sprint. Refine, prioritize, and assign action plans. Finalize your plan, assign sponsors, and review progress. For multi-user team plans, facilitators follow a similar flow, with a team workshop replacing some of the individual work time. If you need help, use the in-app Go support bot in the bottom right corner of your screen. Or, if you need help getting logged in, click the Trouble Signing In link at the bottom of the login page to submit a support ticket, and we'll get back to you promptly. Remember, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started.